Alright, good evening ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we're in our physics laboratory in my basement. And today we're going to show you how to do experiment 2, which is cart on an incline or a ramp. And we are going to have you do the data analysis of the data that I collect. So the objective is basically I'm going to obtain the position, the velocity, and the acceleration data for you, and you're going to interpret and answer the questions I'm going to provide to you on Classroom. So what we have is a vernier track with a cart that is basically frictionless. Not quite, there's a little bit of friction, but not that much, and we can assume that there's almost no friction. We have what we call a track stop at the end. This is to prevent the cart from going off the track. And up on the top we have a motion sensor. So we're going to do 2 experiments today. The first one, I'm going to take the cart and move it up, and then as it's going to go up and down, I'm going to stop it, and we're going to produce 2 graphs, actually 3 graphs. One on position versus time, the second one is going to be velocity versus time, and the third one is going to be acceleration versus time, and you're going to be interpreting those 3 graphs. And the second experiment, I'm going to have the cart up here, let it go, and have it bounce against the end stop a couple of times. And again, we're going to have 3 graphs for you to interpret, and there are questions to help you lead you to interpretation of those 3 graphs. Okay, so, first experiment. Now if you look at the screen, we see 3 graphs. One are the velocity, distance, position versus time, velocity versus time, and acceleration versus time. And between these 2 times is what we're looking for. And so you're going to get that graph, that set of data, as part of your assignment. Now the second part I'm going to show you as we bounce this thing. And we got a little bit longer, and as you see on the screen, we got 2 bounces, and that is what we're looking for. But thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You'll get this video, the instructions, and the data in Classroom later on this week. Thank you.